All right.
Parking brake is on. Now here's the parking brake, Dave.
Okay. And
You're good for takeoff.
yep.
Yep. And the trick is you get it moving and then bring the thrust back. Once it's moving. When I call rotate. Now just use your rudders.
Oh, that's the rudders? Okay,
Yeah.
so tell me when I
Okay,
rotate.
you're 100 knots, speed's good. V1, rotate. Slowly. That's it right there. Hold it right there. We'll make a right turn out. Normally it's left. With one lever climb flashing up there, you bring it back 1 notch. Bring your thrust lever back
1 notch?
Yeah. You're 3,000. So you're out 2,000
Yeah.
up there?
Yeah. There we go.
Now, just let go of the stick. Let go of it.
It's gonna stay there.
It's going to stay there. Take the stick and we'll make a right turn around follow the command bar. You'll see your right here, telling you right there, your north 360. See your command bars? Bring it right up into the
2,500.
that's your okay, now you're coming up so you can start easing back on your stick a little bit.
It's
They're out in the river here. Just look outside. But I'll keep
go
it
down
down.
to 2,000?
1,500.
1,500. Wow. Alright, 3,000. Right in front of us.
Yeah. Yeah, there's one on there.
Yeah.
And there's Kennedy over there.
All right, 500 feet descending, Bob. If you have that set in the box,
Okay.
Zeedle intersections at 2,000 or above, so 3,000 usually works at Zeedle. And
You're flying again.
okay.
Just concentrate on the glide path there. No auto brakes, no spoilers. Just nose it over for a minute. I'll tell you when it's coming back. Keep it going down.
50, 30, 20,
Bring it back just a
retard,
little.
10,
Right there. That's it.
Are we gonna go back?
Yep.
There,
20,
it's starting its
10,
flare. See the attitude
retard,
change?
retard.
About 2 degrees of pitch. It's doing all this itself. On the center line.
Okay.
Get
Go.
thrust.
Go. Poke it. All the way. All the way this time.
So what happens is, as soon as he gets this engine fire, he's going to have to use rudder pedal to keep the aircraft going straight.
Sure.
And when he rotates, the flight directors won't be good for about 3 seconds.
And I haven't done this for a long time.
Oh, sure. Excuses.
Since last week, anyway.
Fire
So as soon as you get to 120,
Yep. you're
right here.
Fire, right. You want.
Okay, rotate it back. Just pull back to put your. I'll tell you when to stop. Right there. Whoa, right there.
Right there.
Push forward a little bit.
Yeah, that's
Just a little
good.
bit. Yeah, good.
Right, you're up.
Are you high enough?
You want him to fly downwind, or you just want me to go right a little bit?
That's good. I'm gonna leave the flap well there enough.
Now I'll turn the heading over to about make it 090. Yeah, right 090. That's good.
Speed.
Yeah, it's on. It's there. It's slowing down.
You hit it just a notch. See you're climbing there. Just Give it a little tap.
Say again?
28 right, right?
Yeah, 28 right.
We lost your light down there.
Okay,
Back in. Give it activated.
that's fine. See, I have a map here. I can see where we're at. This little airplane. Okay. Turn right to a heading of, call it 260.
Right?
Yeah.
Right turn.
Right turn, 260.
You see the runways, right?
Don't descend. Oh, I know why, Bob. Go to fuel predict page. Put in, you had no speeds before. Come back to the left. Keep the nose down. Keep the nose coming down. Keep us coming down. There you go. Back to the left. Line up on that runway. Right hand runway down there with the lights on. Keep the nose down.
Push it on now. Push it on for.
That'll work. We got it.
2,500.
And pull on that VS button. Thank you. Just keep us coming down. There you go. Just keep us aimed right like that. Want that center line on that runway to go right between your legs. Okay? It's a beautiful thing. See how it's going a little bit to the right? Pointing to the right a little bit?
Do this. Just follow that whichever way it goes.
You're flying, Bob.
Okay?
Now start pulling. There you go. Now follow those green bars if you can. It'll put us right on the runway. Wings level. Keep us coming straight down. You're in great shape here. Roll out. A little bit left. A little bit left. A little bit left. Stop. Okay, roll wings level. Start your nose up a little bit. Easy, not much. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. We landed. Stop straight ahead. Wings level. Keep us coming straight down. You're in great shape here. Roll out. A little bit left. A little bit left. A little bit left. Stop. Okay, roll wings level. Start your nose up a little bit. Easy, not much. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. We landed. Stop straight ahead. Set the parking brake. What'd you think? Didn't scare me.
It wasn't
Didn't
bad.
scare me at all. All right. Anything else, Bob?
No,
We got
that's
about 2 minutes.
This is
You got 2 minutes?
beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's do a quick, just a, no brakes. Well, I guess I had the front one.
Yeah.
Just a rotation, put me in the runway, give an engine failure V1, just to show it, and then as soon as we're in the air, we'll stop.
Okay.